Now 13th question, prove that opposite side of quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center. See here, they have given ABCD is a quadrilateral, ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing the circle with the center O. Let the circle touches the quadrilateral at the point PQRS. Now we have to prove opposite sides of quadrilateral are supplementary. Now see, AOB plus COD is equals to 180 degree and AOD plus BOC is equals to 180 degree. Supplementary means 180 degree. We have to prove. For that, we should make construction. We should join this OP, OQ, OR and OS. Now we will see here proof. Tangent drawn from an external point to the circle subtend equal angle at the center. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. These two triangles we have shown congruent in the 4.2 theorem. Again, if you are not remembering, shall I remember you? By RHS postulate, these are 90 degrees. Angle P and angle S are 90 degree here. And this is common side or common hypotenuse. And OP and OS are radii of the same circle. Remembered, students? Now, by RHS postulate, these two are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then this angle is congruent to this angle or equal. See, angle P equals to angle S. Angle this half A is equals to this angle A. Half angle are equal. Now, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Once if we are clear with this, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Similarly, we can tell angle 3 is equals to angle 4. External point here is P. Similarly, angle 5 is equals to angle 6. External point C. Angle 7 is equals to angle 8. Here external point is D. But we know complete angle at the center of the circle is 360 degree. We can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equals to 360 degree. Complete angle at the center of the circle O. Now, see student. Now, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. I can write here. See, angle 2 plus angle 2. Again, I have changed here. Angle 4 is equals to angle 3. And again, angle 5 is equals to angle 6. Angle 8 is equals to angle 7. Is equals to 360 degree. Now, angle 2 plus angle 2. 2 times angle 2. See, a coefficient here nothing is there means there will be one coefficient. 1 plus 1. 2 times angle 2. 2 times angle 3. 2 times angle 6. 2 times angle 7. If see, in these two terms, if I take 2 common, again remaining with what? Angle 2 plus angle 3. In these two angles, if I take 2 common, we are remaining with angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Now, again in these two terms, if I take 2 common, angle 2 plus angle 3 in plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Now next, if this 2 is in multiplication here, if it goes RHS side, it will become division. Now 360 divided by 2, when we cancel, we are getting 180 degree. Now angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is nothing but what, students? Say AOP. Now angle 6 plus angle 7 is nothing but angle 6 plus angle 7 is nothing but COT. Is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove AOD plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree.